Today it's Friday, July 24th, 2026. You remember the 7.9 from the 204 outside with a big blower? Yeah. Finally, I received the parts for the K1 here, the pressure plate with a step. Okay. And it looks much better than before, and I add also the two remaining clutches that I couldn't put it before with this pressure plate. Okay. And I receive also for the B2 here, two snap rings. This is the original that I had before, and then they sent me another two different dimensions. I use the 2.83, I think, 2.85, sorry. I use the 2.85 because with the original one, the 3.44 millimeters, I had 0.85 millimeter clearance. The target is 1.5 millimeters, 1.5 plus minus. I have it somewhere, plus minus 0.2, I think, something like that. And the OEM was 344, the aftermarket, the one that they give me, it was 3.13, and the other one's 285. With the 285, I'm much more near to the 1.5 millimeter of clearance. All right, and that's what I did here. So this goes back to the owner with the old parts. No need to be here anymore. All right, I put it in a box, the remaining, and finally I can put together the transmission. Before I put it together, I have to remove all the clutches, soak them in the fluid to absorb the oil, and then start putting it together. All right. Now, like I've said before, just 1 second. This clutch, forget it's for the 72.6, sorry. Never mind. 72.6 or 0.9, but this is different. This is a kit from different company. I haven't touched anything else. 1 second. All right, where was I? I was saying that now it's, again, to me, it's a little bit tight. Okay, in some baskets, it is a little bit more tight, and I don't like that it's like a spring loaded. All right, but it's not my kit. I'm happy from the point that the gentleman from this company, they didn't close the door. They was willing to help, and they sent the pressure plate and the snap ring to be able to add the two remaining clutches here and to fix the clearance as they want. As soon as they're happy with the clearance, I don't have a reason to keep the transmission open, right? I can start closing it, putting it together. Like I've said to the customer, to me, I can close my eyes. I'm gonna say that, you know what? It doesn't fit these two clutches on the K1, so I'm not gonna put them in. I'm closing everything, and then I'm sending it. I'm not doing that. Instead of doing that, we communicated with the company. We had full support from the company that's supplying this kit, this clutch kit. I'm super happy about that, to have the best possible outcome out of this story. Okay, by the way, I forget the yoke inside of the rust remover for over a week. Then I remember it, I took it out and I painted it because it was rusty. Then I removed the rust, and now I painted it to don't come rusty again. Just saying. So, it's gonna be a short video. Why it's gonna be a short video? Because I'm gonna soak the clutches in the fluid. All right, after that I'm gonna install them again in the baskets. Then we're gonna check again the clearance with wet clutches, and then we're gonna start putting it together. I have the same video before, it's not something new. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna be at the end, when I finish. Fair enough? Yeah, because I'm gonna be full of oil, I don't have anybody to hold for me the camera. You know how it's the story. That's it. In a second for you, you're gonna be ready. Or I might, when I build the tower, I might make one video, and then we're gonna continue for final closing. I'm making video, Omar, for this transmission, and I forget completely. I put everything back together. All right. New torque converter in place. Where's the old one? You have it back over there?
Yes, sir.
All right, screw it, no worries. Car is here with the build engine, these connecting rods. We have also the build transmission here. Now the boys are gonna install it, and that's it. I supposed to make a video when I had it out, yeah, okay. Go watch the previous video, all right? Then, the old parts, where are the old parts?
In the box. Everything in the back.
You have it back over there? All right, okay. You're gonna give it back to the customer. That's it. When the guys, they put the transmission on, it's not gonna be the first start because we break in this engine. So, it was running. Yeah. That's it. Next video, whenever we're gonna put it together. You're gonna put today? Oh, nice. Alright. Tomorrow Saturday, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Either we're gonna make a video tomorrow Saturday or Monday. That's it. Thank you very much. Over and out.